When you bring your Honda to an authorized Honda Service Center, you get much more than just service. Our service team works together to ensure your vehicle's maintenance is meticulously performed and the best diagnosis and repair is provided in a timely manner. We'll keep you posted throughout the process, and if at any time you have questions, just let us know. While you wait, enjoy complimentary amenities like USA Today newspapers, coffee, kids area, and Wi-Fi so you can stay connected. Our technicians have the most up-to-date technical resources, distinctive processes, and pertinent tools direct from the factory, from the engineers who build and specialize all things Honda, so your vehicle can remain as dependable as the first day you drove it. We use Honda Genuine parts to help keep your Honda a Honda. Genuine parts are engineered and tested to meet the original factory standards, helping to maintain the innovative technology and dependability you've come to trust. With Honda Genuine, you get original quality fit and factory-level performance. More importantly, Honda Genuine parts purchased at an authorized Honda dealer are covered with a 12-month warranty, valid at all Honda dealers. For the tuner and DIY enthusiasts, Honda Genuine parts are available for purchase at your local Honda dealer for your next project. If you prefer to do it yourself, be sure to use Honda Genuine. Get even more out of your vehicle with Honda Genuine accessories. Turn heads with stylish body kits and rims, or get the extra utility you need to get your toys on the road. And we know how special your Honda is to you, so help protect it with Honda Genuine accessories. Unfortunately, accidents happen, and not all body shops are created equally. At Honda, we only recommend Pro First collision centers, certified by American Honda and audited by an independent third party. Look for the Pro First certified sign for quality collision repairs. With every service at participating Honda dealers, you'll also receive a complimentary car wash, keeping your vehicle sharp from the inside and out. And you'll receive a multi-point inspection. Think of it as a health checkup report for your car, informing you of what we worked on and what may need attention further down the road. Schedule an appointment today by phone or the web through online service scheduling. Visit owners.honda.com to locate your nearest authorized Honda Service Center. At Honda, we're committed to providing excellent customer service and keeping your vehicle dependable and running for years to come. Visit your local Honda dealer today to experience the difference.